For months I've been planning to build a vegetable wicking bed, but sadly haven't had the time. Given that the world is slowing down to try and slow the spread of coronavirus, I suddenly find myself with plenty of time on my hands. So with my rainwater tank up and functional, I'm about to test my first ever wicking bed. Of course the dogs, Jess and Audrey, are enjoying having us home. Okay, so here is my first wicking bed. It's just a simple raised garden bed. I have lined it with a PVC pond liner and filled it with some scoria. So here I've inserted a pipe which will allow me to fill the reservoir, and then down over here is a second pipe which will act as a drain when the reservoir is full. I've placed the drainage pipe in the proximity of another garden bed, so if the reservoir does overflow, it will actually water these plants. Okay, wish me luck! I've now covered the scoria with geotextile. This will stop the dirt from moving down into that reservoir bed. This is another particularly heavy part of the job, so I'll be getting my helping hand, my husband, to come in and lift those bags into the raised garden bed for me. Ta-da! All done. The end of a hard day's work, but the garden is planted. I've put some pansies along the side to give me some instant plants, but you'll see what looks very bare in the middle are seeds. So I have some radishes, lettuce, onion, beetroot and carrot.